Okay, now I need to iron all the colored fabric. Then I will cut it up. But first I gotta get all the wrinkles out. I was just spraying it with water. I've got 3 fabrics lined up here. I'm going to cut for the stars, and I also need some 1.5 inch squares for the to cut the dots out of that'll go around the sort of the outside of the quilt, and also some of the sashing that goes in between the unit squares on the border that I'm about to work on. First I need to square that up, and then I am going to cut 1, 2, 3, 4.5 inches. Then I'll square that up. Okay, 4.5. Whoops. Okay. Now I need 3.25 inch. For the star points for the flying geese. Okay, 3.25. And I need 4 there. There's 1. 2, 3, 4, and I need a 1.5 inch. And let's see if I can get a 1.5 inch out of there. Okay. Okay, now I need to put these in sets. One, 2. Add those to a background. I already cut the light fabrics and have those in sets. These are a 5.5 inch and 2.5 inch. They are for these will be for the flying geese. These will be the corner of the star, and this is also part of the flying geese. Should have. So this all together is one star. And then I will just continue cutting until they're all done. Okay, I've got a bunch of squares cut out, and I'm going to put them in rows of 3, and then that row will be attached to each side of these. So I'll just start pairing those up, and these are all just at random. Okay. Okay, you get 3 together, then you sew the seams out. Okay, so then I put the seams together. They will attach to the edge like this, and then we will have a sashing in between each one of these. So I'll just get those made and get back with you. Okay, I've got the little strips made, so now I'm just gonna attach them to the sides here. Okay, now I'm just gonna press these open. Okay, now these will get sewn together. And there we have part of the next border. Okay, I've got the strips done. They're pinned on to the center thing, and now I'm ready to sew that on. I'll do both sides, and then I will pin on the other side. Okay, I'll press that, pin the other sides, and get back to you. Okay, I'm back ready to do these other rows. Okay, here's what the center block looks like so far. And I've got the other blocks done with the circles on it. Now I need to put the sashing around this edge, and then I will start on the star blocks. I have the sets for the star blocks all put together. This is the star in the backing. And so after I put the sashing on, I will start on these. Okay, here's the sashing fabric, and we need 1.5 inch strips so that we can have a 1 inch sashing. So I need at least 4 to go around the borders. Okay, here's the center block with the sashing, and I've already had a good teaching moment. You'll notice these sides, they're a little wavy. These I did not pin down. As you saw, I just held it as I went, which means it kind of stretched out that way. So for the next ones, I pinned it down, and you'll see they lay much flatter. So from now on, I will pin. So that was a good lesson to learn. If this was really bad, I would pick it out and undo it, but when I quilt it, that will lay down when I quilt it. So I'm just going to leave it. So